Hey everybody. So far I've posted videos for your lesson plan, and I've also posted a tutorial of how to use Desmos as well as the online whiteboard. But once it comes to assignment submission, I think that's the part where it's going to be most confusing for everybody since we're at a distance and everything. And while you could potentially, if you really wanted to, just do the work, catch me during my office hours, and then while we're on Google Hangout, just share your screen with me and show me what you have. Another way to do it, if you can't make office hours and you still want to submit work, would be to save it as a PDF through a screenshot or like exporting it as a PDF and then submitting it as a file through the file submissions in Google Classroom. So I'm going to walk you through how to do that real fast. So let's say that we are on either Desmos or the Whiteboard app. I've already shown you in the tutorial there how they have that like export PDF button on those guys. Let's say you click that. When you click that, you'll see a like a download tab here, right here on the bottom of your internet browser, and you can just drag, like click it, and then drag it right onto your desktop, and you'll get something that looks like this or that looks like this. Basically, it's the saved screen that you had. Now, let's say that you want to submit them all in one thing because Google might only allow you to use one attachment. I don't think Google does that. I think that's more of a different learning platform I've been on. Canvas usually does that. But let's say that you just really want to put them both together to save space on your computer, or that you just want to submit one thing at a time. So what you can do is go to the link that I've submitted here in the assignment that I posted. I'll post it in this as well. You go to something like smallpdf.com here where it says compress the PDF, and what you're going to do is just click them and drop them right onto the drop here. And it uploads it onto this database right here. And basically once that completes, you see there's one right there. And let's see, let's say that I wanted a here. Let's do that. And you can click continue to merge PDF after you do the first one. And this will allow you to merge your PDFs. So you click add more here, click choose file, and I guess what you can really do is just drag and drop it, really. Let's say that I did that. Let's do this one. Click it here. It's just going to upload. You can just drag and drop it again right there. You see I got both of those guys on a one thing where it says the merge option. If you missed that, just go back to where I clicked it, where it allowed me to click merge. And you're on this. I'm even going to add this link into the thing that I'm posting this tutorial for, and you just click merge PDF. Now what that's going to do is combine these into one file, and then you can just click download and you'll upload it from there. Now the other thing you might want to see here after you've downloaded that, let's say, is, well, how do I submit work? Let's say that I've already done everything and I'm in the classroom, the Google Classroom. There's going to be, let me see, I'm already in the middle of posting something here. But let me just save this. This is the tutorial that I'm making for Desmos here. Basically, when you go and you click on the assignment, you just click on the individual assignment, there's going to be a button on there that tells you or asks you if you want to submit something. You just click that, you click choose file, and then you click your condensed PDF. Now, the other thing that I was talking about was, well, what if you wanted to do it by hand? How might you go about uploading that, especially if I take multiple pictures? The process for that is basically you just grab your phone or whatever camera you have, you take the pictures of your work, you email it to yourself in your school email, and interestingly enough, I think you can actually submit those picture files once you download them and save them into your Google Drive. That's a part of your student email. But if for some reason you're having trouble with that, or this file size is too large, what you can do is just the same thing that you pretty much did in exporting the file, where you save the file when you click download. There'll be like a little arrow button that points down and you download it. You drag it up to your desktop there. And then once it's up on your desktop, you could just do the same process. If you had a bunch of pictures and you want to merge them all into one, you can just keep dragging them into that merge PDF thing until you've got everything you want to merge, and then just click merge PDF, download that, and upload it as one file. So that's a basic little small tutorial on how to go ahead and merge PDFs together if you want to make one file. You do not have to do that. With Google Classroom and Google Suite in general, they're very good usually about letting you add multiple attachments after you download one attachment. When you hit that like plus icon, that's like an add attachment as you're uploading your work. There's usually a plus sign for additional ads, or like a paperclip for additional adding that you can just click on. You just keep adding files until you're done adding your files, basically. So yeah, that's a basic little tutorial.